Hey, it's Paul with rackattack.com, here to show you a base roof rack system for the 2016 and beyond Toyota Tacoma Double Cab. So the base roof rack system here we're featuring is the Thule WingBar Evo clamp base roof rack system. It comprises three components, starting with the Evo clamp foot pack set of four. Next, we have the Thule WingBar Evo load bars available in either silver or black. And then the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. So let me go over those in a little more detail here. So the rubber bases are contoured to perfectly match where they rest on the roof for the best possible grip and secure fit. And then we have the rubberized metal door frame brackets. These are custom made specifically for this vehicle for an ideal protective secure fit. So the way these work with the foot pack, here we have the foot pack. I'll go ahead and remove the cover panel. And then it's super easy. You just take the door frame bracket and put it into this assembly at the front and then flip it over, and then you just match up the shape of the rubber base with this plastic base, and then you press down around the perimeter to engage the rubber onto that base. And so there is essentially all that's needed to assemble the foot pack with the fitting kit. Now, included with the system, with the fitting kit, is a complete instruction manual that'll designate each rubber base as well as each metal door frame bracket. The metal door frame bracket has numbers assigned to it, and the rubber also has numbers assigned to it, which are molded and stamped into the bracket and rubber. And then from there, it'll actually show you where on the roof it goes as well. So the next step is the load bar. So here we have a couple segments of the load bars. As I mentioned, they're available in the silver finish or the black finish. First, a quick understanding of this bar. This is a very sophisticated box beam construction. So you have a slot on the underside to accommodate the foot, but you also have a slot on the top side to accommodate certain accessories. So for example, at the end of the bar here, you have your end cap, and the end cap, you have a flip portion of it that allows for easy access into this track. So here I have one of Thule's square-headed bolts that you'll find with certain accessories, and you can see here how this will just slide through the rubber. There's a slot in the rubber to give you that attachment point for a particular carrier. So that carrier could be bicycle carriers, that could be rooftop cargo baskets, ski carriers, and other carriers that are designated for this method of attachment. And the benefit of that, of course, is the fact that you're connecting into the bar rather than around the bar, getting maximum efficiency from your bar length. So now when you're ready to attach the foot to the bar, again, in the manual, you have scale numbers that are assigned for this Toyota Tacoma, telling you exactly where on the bar it's positioned. So the scale numbers will correspond with the scale slide piece that you have here. And this slide piece will insert into the bar, and then you adjust that according to the instructions. But for the sake of this video, we'll just demonstrate how you get the bar on. You'll see there's two tabs here. You press in on those tabs, and then that allows you to slide the bar into place. Lastly, you put your cover on. Oh, let me not skip a step. Of course, you want to tighten it on, and include it with this system as a tool. And as you tighten, this tool will click, indicating it's fully tightened, not over or under tightened, just to the right specifications designated by the engineers at Thule. Then you put your cover on. Now, out of the box, these foot packs include a plastic plug. You just turn that plug a quarter turn to keep that cover in place. However, you can upgrade your security to an actual metal lock cylinder that's keyed to match all four. So you buy a set of four, and all four of your towers will work off the same key. Now, it's also possible to expand your locking system with a set of 6 or a set of 8 or even beyond, so that if you have other carriers, for example, bicycle carriers or kayak carriers and so on that are lockable, you can have them all key matched off of the same key. So for a more in-depth installation video, please see the link in the video description where we go over start to finish in detail the assembly and installation of one of these racks, showing how this tool works and how it clicks and so on. But for the sake of this video, we're just giving you a quick overview so you understand the basics of this rack for the Toyota Tacoma. Also, if you're ready to purchase this system, you can purchase this system as a complete pre-configured system simply by finding that link in our video description where you'll click and it'll take you straight to rackattack.com to the shopping cart with it all pre-configured with the exact components that fit this vehicle perfectly. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo WingBar Evo Clamp Base Roof Rack System for the 2016 and beyond Toyota Tacoma. I'm Paul with rackattack.com. Thanks for watching.